Alright, let's look at the homework 4.3, problem number 3. Alright, let's find the derivative of this function here. Alright, so first thing I would do is actually we have a common factor. So you have e to the x here, and e to the x here, and e to the x here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out right here. Right, so we can write it as, right, so e to the x is pulled out. Right, so what's left over would be x squared from the first term, minus 2x from the second term, and then you have a plus 8 from the third term. Right now, we have two things multiplied together here, so I'm going to use the product rule to take the derivative. Alright, so y prime is equal to, alright, derivative of the first is going to be derivative of x squared is 2x, derivative of negative 2x is negative 2, and derivative of 8 is 0, times the second guy, so you have e to the x, plus, and first guy is just copy that, x squared minus 2x plus 8. Then take the derivative of e to the x. Luckily, derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. Right? Right, again, we have a common factor, so I'm going to pull e to the x here and e to the x there, and pull those out. And then we're just going to write e to the x once. Right? Then we have, so we have to combine, so leftover term would be, there is x squared, so I'm going to put that in there, so x squared. Right. Then you can see that actually you have, there's positive 2x, and there's a minus 2x, so they cancel out. And then we can combine negative 2 and a positive 8, so it's going to be positive 6 left over. Right? So we got that. So we should, maybe I should put it a little bit closer. So I put the e to the x a little bit closer here. But the derivative is quantity x squared plus 6 times e to the x. All right, let's type it in. All right, so what we got was quantity x squared plus 6 times e to the x. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.